Hey house, welcome back to a new video, my first hair tutorial of 2024. And let me tell y'all, I always give y'all wigs that it's going to be quick, easy, and basically straight to the point. I'm also thinking about including my hair tutorials in some of the vlogs. Let me know if y'all like that idea, because I know y'all like watching my vlogs. If y'all like a little sponsor in a vlog, let me know, because I want to just basically test it out and see how y'all like it. Anyways, y'all, this hair is everything. And the scalp, do y'all see the scalp? That should be enough to just keep y'all watching. If y'all want to see this hair tutorial, please stay tuned. This is the first tutorial of 2024, and y'all definitely have to watch it because it's quick, it's easy. I think y'all need this in your life. So if y'all want to see how I choose to look, then keep on watching. Hey now, y'all made it, so y'all want to see what's in this box. So Asteria sent me over some hair, and there is the wig right there. But we're gonna take the wig out first. And what's inside the box? You get a baby hair comb and a brush on the other end. Then you get some lashes from them, a wig cap, a band, and also a wig bag that says Asteria hair. Y'all, so this is the wig right here, and it is a closure wig, y'all. And look at the lace, undetectable HD lace, 180% density. This is water wave curl, and look at the inside of this wig and how it's constructed. Also, this is a 20-inch wig, 5x5 HD lace closure, and look at how it is melting into my hand. This is one of the #1 best-selling wigs, y'all, and I could tell by look at the construction of it, look at the lace, just look at it in general. It is everything. Now that I gave you specs of the wig, I'm going to go ahead and lay the wig down. But first, I'm going to add this cap that they sent me inside the box. I'm going to be talking during the tutorial, so this is the last time I'm going to be doing a voiceover. So let's slay this wig. Hey y'all, so I went ahead and switched my cap up because the cap that I was using, it was not sticking. I don't know, for some reason. So I just got a thicker cap, and I'm only going to put makeup on the edges and right here, because this wig right here is a closure wig. I already cut off the tabs, y'all, as y'all can see. I cut the tabs off, and it looks so good. This wig looks so good, y'all. So I'm gonna actually put this wig on my head. I'm gonna get into the details of this wig once I put it on and stuff like that, and then we're gonna get right into it. I did go ahead and pluck more of this wig because it was like already pre-plucked, but I went ahead and plucked more of it, y'all, and it looks so good. Look at it. So I'll pluck more. That, but y'all, this band that they have, it's so good. It is laying down. Big deal, see it. This is before I actually glue this down. Okay, and I honestly feel like I don't even have to glue it down. But baby, we want this wig to melt. This is cute. This wig is cute. And I made me a part, like, cause I kind of went in and plucked it some more and made a part. I didn't put no concealer or anything in it, but once I put my makeup on top of the cap, it's gonna all blend. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on one side first. Okay, so I'm gonna add 3 coats and I'm gonna come right back. That is on. I'm gonna go ahead and pull this down. All right, so is right there. I'm gonna go ahead and cut this. Well, I'm actually gonna lay it down. Let me give you the specs on this hair. This hair is 180% density. It's a HD lace. The cap size is a medium, and this wig is a 20-inch. Y'all, this is so gorgeous. Like, I'm gonna face frame the front just a little bit, but this is giving very much vacation. Like I said, you can wet it, you can get in the pool with it, and mind you, it's a closure. This is not a frontal wig. This is a closure, and closures are like my best friend because I don't get a lot of closures. However, closures are my best friend because it's only in one area, and everywhere else is free, and you can fix a frontal, but a closure is like less maintenance because it's like right here in the middle of your head. This is a undetectable lace. This hair is of course from Asteria hair. It just says it on the band, y'all. They set up a band, lashes, baby hair comb, a bag to put the wig in, caps, everything, you name it, they sent it. And the wig is great quality. Y'all see this wig? Do y'all see this wig? Y'all, this wig is so good. It came pre-plucked, but I did go behind it like 3 more times and plucked some more, and I put a little bit in the front to give this like realistic look. I'm gonna show y'all. I might even post a picture right here and show y'all exactly what I did. Let me let this melt for about like 2-3 more minutes, and I will come back to cut it. All right, y'all, so this is how the melt is looking like. Asteria hair, are you serious? The melt is melting. I think I'm doing good with these wigs, y'all. Like, the way I'm melting these wigs down lately, the ones that I've been having, y'all, scalp, skin, whatever you want to say. Anyways, I'm about to go do my face, and then the only thing I'm gonna do this wig is just shake the front and add some water to it, and I'm gonna come right back. Let's put some makeup on. Hey guys, I'm back. Makeup is on. Okay. I honestly like the state that it's in, y'all. This big poofy afro, but I'm gonna go ahead and cut the front for y'all, just a little bit, not too much. Grab a piece and just like kind of face frame the front just a little bit. Same on this side. Just face frame it a little bit. About to wet this, just a regular water bottle. Then I'm gonna go ahead and add this Shea Miracles Moisture Intense Formula Curling Cluster Cream to make the curls fine, so y'all can see exactly how it looks. See, texture of the curl. So these are the two differences. This side is dry and this side is wet, y'all. I love both sides, but with applying the curling cluster, it's going to stay wet and wavy. If you just apply water, it's going to get back to this state. So I suggest applying a curling cluster or a cream to activate those curls and so that they'll last. But I'm going to do this other one on camera and I'm going to come back with the final look. Okay, so I went ahead and did the other side of my hair, and y'all, eats. Y'all, this is so cute. I just love curly hair on me. Some of my curly hair just really just brings out another side of me, y'all. I don't know what it is, but it just is. It is 2024. I know y'all need some new hair, but I want y'all to comment on this video, y'all. This is going to get my interactions going. Comment on this video down below what y'all think about it. Or y'all could just simply put a heart down there, but I would love for y'all to comment. Let me know if y'all are doing wigs 2024, if y'all doing y'all natural hair 2024, if whatever it is that y'all doing 2024, let me know. And if y'all need a wig, y'all click the right video because Asteria Hair has it for you, especially a wig like this where it's just low maintenance. You can put it on and it could be on about the dough for 2024. We got things to do, we got things to experience. Let's go slap that wig on and call it one. Okay, don't forget to click that link down in the description right below to this wig and also to their website. Go check it out because they have varieties of wigs on their website that you can purchase from. It doesn't just have to be this wig, and I work with Asteria Hair so many times. You can trust me on this one. Don't forget to tap that like button, share this video, comment, rate, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on my next tutorial.